abusuafo e mamu nyina ha e ma makwa aba e mama dwumum chese adwendwe ne do so dia na chese onim se saa na tie but no so indication e dia dance se ene ye fiada nti thank God is Friday aseda no ye de mo twa dia mpon ona wo se efiada meto yen a eto yen nye se ye ne ye pa ewura Friday o ona odom yen a ye de bi ebesia no se ya da se aseda so be me ye nuanom a ye kunkum bagia ene etima kunkum eni asofo ne abusuafo a mo hwe kunkum bagia nyina Adom TV ene ye wono yasa wo live ewo asempana ni 4.7 na enne ye hiem me wo case na ya fa me vim lady efia pokua nene se de ne lawyer for ye no lawyer for ma ben lawyer for mo tiapo lawyer for mo nimde lawyer for ma ye adwuma lo lawyer adwuma ni mo ache wo mo temra na se free o se betie hwe Adom TV na tie foto sem no chena wona mba bi ne se julo ohun se de obeye wade se okobo nipa ni bi o se de yo wo ye police ni na why wadwe say na journalist be hu say menhia helmet wakoka mezi bam no a wadwe na according to nya according from wo mra no say mra wo ma we mu we a politician out won why wadwe say o ma men sense akrata ni bi enkopa job for the boys minister ni bia wo hu say yes net de na abai ochina asem ne gon ebeba wan hwa na sensem kon na we nya problem we a central ni so why wadwe say obedi tro agu nkofo ni mase a na wo hu say emra wo ho we adwumawura na so afa nkofo adwuma na why wadwe say kwase ebuwa na abebu o mu a moni na ho sanse mra no so mu se kwa na won hwe wo wakasi yi a ho na bo ze e kai bebubu ama no waso be yehye anwume yehye o mi wo case na so de na che se mra no amu ne yehye no ene ne lawyer fo ma be ne yehye na yehwe se de betimi aboa wo na wo hu nsem no wo ma wo mu kronum gya wo mu a wo no ma bo bra wie nyina wo mu ma wo mu ene ye behwe ni nyina wo mu so wo ne mema wo na mema ne hwe wo mu ye behwe wo mu so a mayi mususu mu ne mema na ware no ma ne se ye ma ne ye na eze bronya wan tontoma ma ye nti ya se leggings aden ni nyina ye behwe emra e wo ho me o case na ne lawyer for ma ben lawyer Morris Sampa unim de dada celebrity lawyer lawyer otiapo lawyer yes ne ahe wo ba no me ko 17 17 years at the bar na me kan at the bar no nchire bar South Africa na holiday in ana choba o se e top taste bar ana Rose Joy da bi e kire bar no che lawyers wo mu okuo e che Ghana Bar Association e ho 17 years on dey aye adwuma se lawyer Morris Sampa kan pa wo nso onya krasa wa ben sanso e na ne nua be ma lawyer Paul Parker achichogui e wa hanum si e na nwonu obekatwi jai ye kaka ye be ye de say ye be ka ni nyina ne ehun se de e ho ntete nso ya nwrani na bia wo water region wo papa bi agya wasase e ho family lands na ho ye ni akonwa bi asase wo water region oso do case ba na lawyer boa no cheche mu obi ensisi wabusuafo no bi ho ma o mbesisi opa nwuma ye sha mo case na ameka obi ye live Asempa 94.7 ewo Asempa so Adom TV ye wazo ye nene yan hwe nkofo cases ya omode aba bebre na emum amechi oseta bia ba mesha ene capsules abibidro betete wanum wudidi Friday obi tie aduane ho eso otumi ni awie ya ma obi fufuo menka fufuo pa akaw otumi ni menka to otumi ni enuhu otumi ni but unum tabia ba mesha ne bia betumi ate wani mama good appetite udidi yeso anyare o e bia wo ahode top eba clinic so de abibidru ati apo e ma na mo pa awo afi wa promise ho sofo bi ahye nkom wo be wo ntafo enso hu nanim August ye twam ye o ya ye kowura September afi ye wa fe ko top eba ye hwe obi bia ma ne ma ntafo ni bi ngo wote ase ne ya ba wa adore abadjiri wa baba wo hu say yes onyankopon wono wadi ni ye lucky VK e de VK mixture papa ma no a obi abo ine yam abo so agi ukunu ye no a 18 mo no bia na nkoyie bia na se de obesiesie ho no nya foto a wona na no maame one wo mtena e bia wo man kyerɛ so yesu anu ya se akekadu ko ye we no ene atwam ene ye wo duru abeboa wo nya fe na akotwitwi hwahwam na ko ani ama onsa no nyina akɔ wa da bi eno anu se obeyisu lucky VK mixture aboa wa ma 18 mo nyina yes kama sentio infection mo use public toilet ahwe na ahwe na akwa ma infection ni nyina wayi e de free onum ni nyina ebe ma nanim adokodoko de ye ne aye no sane de origin zero ne edeko we have ma herbal mixture ene aye but ya sheda e de yi kakra wo no se de bebe taste kama me kono nom China drink nom de aba no a China for me one family one child omu de kum me ma ne bibi mesrewa ade we ma sheda hwehwem na me hu o Obere na call ka che maso nwa China fo no wa hwa wonya bi e bedru so na wonom free 18 years onom China drink ya unu 30 ne akum ohum wa nyina koyo mema omugu hospital so omo perspem ato so ho nyina na oye ho nti origin zero anwumre ukoye sitting bia na de bia wo no no ano no omada ma na anwumre ya de me wo case na ebro lawyer for mama akwaba lawyer tuchogbe wo de o ma ha de nti me ma akwaba sonko pa sebo ko de uchembe so wen Accra New Town. Oh, I see. Inti ya hono cases ben sa na e omo de ba. Ana
no cases in there ba divorce ba.
Oh, divorce.
Na say divorce ba.
Hey. Se nkofo ja wa ye. Na then reasons na ye common e cut across.
Oh, mostly no go say phone issue.
Phone.
No.
Hey, you call Kwame na ida wedding so for the preach say choose between wo yire and mobile phone. Phone to me dia wa ja e ba.
The papa say WhatsApp. Facebook. Now Bema no chat be an X. No ba ne chat ni X. Na suspicion abem. Near the name kakran sa do evidence they have to go on their separate ways. Yeah. It's
na no phone no law no Ghana law na baby wo no meka phone ho asem baby ase bia your ba wife for me use phone.
Oh no. And there's a private way. Yeah, and they'll be anti restricted.
Nti ene ade no mutumi gina phone so no mo de aware jaye ne ba.
No, see phone no in fact yen phone ne de aware jaye ne ba directly. But they say so me say we chat or X. Yes. But if we stop going on the phone, maybe say WhatsApp, Facebook and that way now, that's okay. But we say o girlfriend chatting X, boyfriend chatting way, or band the phone to another man fa maybe some message be at the wrong time. Maybe you can bani din 10 say okushani pano no be at to message be at to yeah Eddie Bapa
sir
Eddie Bapa
I see lo mo example u chambers no he
Truth Chambers we Accra
post
office
nanu ya na man dia na some moja case ba na won ma din no
so we want legal advocates foundation then me NGO na me dey case ma na for na case
ba chamber dia wo 17 years of practicing na wo I the Truth Chambers and we
post office area
post office Accra post office so we CJ meka nche say ye tout
oh da be we tout
we nya tout me na me busa mo pese me hu keke na ba cho ho no ya wo te hu de o mo kan bi de onua lawyer Tichogbe ka say divorce no wo de na e common pa
de common ni sex sex
is saying
they say member no and then our for member be bring into me and omoyelemo enda because of stress and ejomambo what they say because member no they say no marian kitikiti mama ba enti wa hwe ya na ama oyere ho afon ntam na fe nso na ofo say stress nso sika 70 no member kra no mo libido akọ down enti no utun say utun ni yere na normally no someone found yere and for some time na for yere na ehun say we Christian brother and a man so anyone that's na bubu fu yen I say
oh na say why am metrans e be show photo and there
I say you ni fa so
there be na lawyer yi wo oba na wa na say wo so bobefu ana obumfu nti enye a woman's thing obi a
but we say no man no ye me man dey bufu but oba no e ba sa na say wo ni fa so nti it's easily so do be jai wo the sexual relationship no no you crack kuna mo have sex no bomu but the moment mo have sex na bibi kitu ibi na ma I say ukra
into once unya divorce cases in
lot of cases
ba wo de tutu wan de na do so pa
e awon jai ba no empima grow ni wo fene say
no but dodo say among the cases na ya unya no de na do so contract business
me dey more land cases. But that's my area, land, family law. These two.
I see.
2007.
And not just say you go so I want me case and ask to mu ya na mama me ni aja na wa ija na mo de bande mu di nwem na nkofo pa. Be ya awai for no mo kam na ade a lawyer Tichogbe kan ya clicking margin pa yes am mobile phones. Social media there a serious issue. Now I do lawyer ye wo law wo Ghana han ma govern social media. Am I a law bisa?
They be regulating if as they develop that area, it's difficult. I think say away the Minister of Communication and in the IT cyber crime in the one they should come out. Stakeholders should come out to develop so many to regulate the internet and social media because it's a new media format. If as an we have so many challenges.
serious. Oh yeah, immediately.
Seriously, I say yeah. Because if the rate of divorce in Ghana is too alarming. Inti say and share when na basa ofra no na bre. We are now 3 a week. I feel no more divorce. We know 5. I feel no more divorce. So what happens to the children? Obani year too old. Obesan worry. Beman year too old. Obesan worry. Inti na ofra no aba ye some island. So ko house oba house. Inti say law be back to regulate it. It will help.
Ye case edika sister back or sene papa na kwa wasase kakraka na owu be mfie du miensa 13 years ago na owu ye no na omo ye 5 girls na nnu anu mienu e na omo ye se na omo bakọ rent omo apartment bi omo de koma hae na omo nye sika na omo timi e de akọ ye de wo so omo timi ye wasase no so say omo mu miensa de na omo complain say de bi we de se sika omo so mo de koye fence na mo de atua fence no cost no de omo ntia se kura na se say 13 years ni omo papa wuye obeso otumi hu se omo miensa na na omo ntia se se ye de omo papa dan no ebe rent no omo de sika na akọ fence asase no omo papa wo eye no omo okesa na oso onu kuta indencha no eni asase no nkrata nyina they say legal advice ben eni de be ma no efa we hu lawyer.
Yes, it's a case where me chambers the first thing I will look out for is, was there a will?
Okay. If
there's no will, then was there a letter of administration? So if there's a will, then that property would have been bequeathed to somebody. Yeah, they are
Obi.
Internet say,
and they are show be inside the Jobi.
They are Jobi. Now say yes, so are not letters of administration in Obi apply for letter of administration. The court na more to me. So more administer the estate of the disease. In this scenario, we are not clear either the title has been vested or conveyed to one of the parties. 5 children, 2 was side, not 3 was side. Inti enim say 3 na omo praise omo wakoton omo apply to the court for letters of administration. And now say the 2 because the property is in the name of the disease.
Yeah. Inti lawyer obi wu a by force ni nyina ye letters of administration.
Say will ni why I say ye.
Letters of administration are then.
Letters of administration no just a nipa na without a will. Inti family ni tenase. Ni ka say oh yeah appoint nipa mienu miensa bi ma omo nko court nko di anim say won wo beji ejapade no ahweso.
Ejapade ni nyomo dia.
Enyomo dia.
Ukuta letters of administration obetimi aton ejapade no.
Letter of administration no ubeye trustee, sort of a trustee.
Trustee
but so ama the beneficiaries. But you might be a beneficiary yourself.
And a trustee at the
same time. Internet oh share property.
Inti say the will na dey no to nche na say bi amfa say abusuam amamre kwan so customary law na bia ese we awu say the nyina nim say we wu a unua na edi wade no unua na edi wade no ono so our right so be obeka say meton japade because me na traditionally na enye letters of administration say amamre dey nim sa enkrata na amoka no nti aye fie amamre yatena say ebusuan ye buka no ene yesi gina ye say wo lawyer Chichogbe wo na obedi lawyer Morris Ampa ade eno letters of administration bi anka ho
no say PNDC law 111 nti sa ejade no wofade ne say ni hobium
sir
yeah PNDC law 111
na say law ntumi ngu amamre
oh say emra ho emra de bibia ni obetimi
nti say obi ntumi ni obi ade biom
obetime de ade enso enye say wo gi ejapade no say who are be called by the PNDC law no yeah family has an interest who share PNDC law the children, the spouse, the parents if they are alive and the family so the family has an interest. Family need to more interest in a very small.
I see nti sister we dey no e je say o de adanse e ba e che say omukuta letters of administration
say wako akwaje letters of administration na eno no kra man ho kwan say ono nkotonfa. If say you some mechanics say yes like trustee. Oh so for yourself and all the beneficiaries. You see, to me because even to make the application, you swear at the latter part and say you administer the estate of the disease according to the laws of the country. It is a ufuma and brand crown waiting wedding.
That more example. Sister case.
Yes, you check who so study case or see na omo fada ewo ejapade dan e wo so ti de di kan no there's some ko hwede said father no oye will be to ho na samansew ana oye will be to ho in some ko search e wo high court ana the audit wo no to
mpacho nyabuche se obi ye will normally on kan kire ya na ye say e bia se udin wo will no ma omo amane okwa chen lawyer sofo bia na nti uko search no he na wahu so wa fan court so obe den
normally no say o wo lawyer o papa wo lawyer no ti asia wo betu ko find out for the lawyer no fine say bia o ye will if ana upa for grab a lawyer court registry normal high court registry na say o papa ti akra ko high court na ko ye search o ko say bia o papa wo fa ni space o be so ye search say ana so obe deposit will be one what you say anything so mran so crash obi say what is obi ewu na ukra ne will I saw the call and that's a high court call to me ye order say fa we ne bra
nti will e bia wo nana e na ye e de ma wo ye ne nana e bia years ago say na Ghana ye keep record e be de na wahu e be court
yes enye obi na dey will court but normally we be da court to court we be da court to bank the bia we be to cry we be to be crazy but normally no o person who say nipa no ye will la owu first we find out say our family lawyer we find out say ebuseni bi ekre bia because esa mama amfo ya o esa nipa bewu it obi bia na okra will no one for akwa a criminal offense
I see
what they are saying no what you need to do is that
what the shout
yes what the shout to no a criminal offense and a court so clear to be make order say bia baby deposit will no our court na wo hwem enti wo koye search na who say nipa no will enti we say no nya say ma 5 no ye say and some go find out some papa anya will and so nya satisfied say omo father anya will la now near the sisters too no eye no
omo rent ya money
omo committee crime yes under the order 66 of the high court rules no of the probate and administration say obi wu na unkoje to me krata efi court unu kwan say obe interfere obeton japade no and be high of be intermediate
I can who asem be because I dey with esipa me apam okunafo ne aton japade no
atomra
but you san quote law ni bi
say obi wu na ne japade ewo ha unu kwan say odu sabeka
so ye ni nuampo a
we nuampo say obeton and now be start rent because who so ko to be krata ewo court I will now because you probate
now we are the banso enti wan kwaje a untumi
ntai because yes are pay under order 66 of the high court rules no and interpret the law when be want to be called prison for 2 years sure say order 66 rule 3 or say why any person other than the person named and executor of a will or appointed by the court to administer the estate of a deceased person takes possession of an administer or otherwise deal with the property of the deceased person, the person shall be subject to the same obligation and liability as an executor or administrator, and shall, in addition to be guilty and liable for intermeddling, and it shall be convicted on several convictions not exceeding 500 penalty units or twice the value of the estate for intermeddling or to imprisonment for 2 years. Into 1 year, obi wa court and could to be krata. And son of water Yamano, your cloth for now court, yes. And in this situation, no, and Matu no say, Oman can do to me plata, say, Bia, Omeko probate because we'll go and now Omeko, now my quiet administration. I'm a court among to me some point winner. Oman committee the offer the intermediate. 2, Omutu no matter, I'm a ton dino, I'm a rented random, as some may account for the proceeds. If you know, say, but they say, will me one, they say, PN is one, let me be. There's one, and Quano says, I want to show, say, Mametias.
Debbie,
yes,
what you some Mametias? Yes,
Mametias, if you know, Nipper 5, no, only another piece of one, almost half, but even not half, because only a dying
any assassin.
Almost 5 years because Lord, they say, we have a check, according to the one, the one house, any household chattel, a woman, a wife and children. But we know
sisu de bi mpia dis law ne say obema wu a de bi e bo mpa esem se mema no wu ntem te say am say law no kra gitum say wo mu wu ntem
e man su to be
o ba law no kra say law no kan a pia dis law utum ga o ba spouse kra ni say spouse na mo a e nyina ma mi ni na ba mo a mu be wu eja no why
Mene yiri nya no obi antumi di kan me yiri di kan a me so be ko japade
ene nkola no
mene
se be ma di kan a eye ma oba no ne nkola no
correct enti say I da ba ko a like we ni say no sa dan no e be ye nkola no dia o dia say enti nkola no abia wo chefa wo mu enti no
emu mienu nko antumi nko
omunya wo chefa no mo chefa no ye equal
but we omuma very reasonable you say enchechemu say asase ne da ho ahwa na ochena na obi abedua enti omo rent omo anton omo rent na omo di bia ko fence
menua sade ye nipa num di a mienum ntumi nsore e ko ye bibi e so di ni di
no matter how good your intention is
even for po ye no majority because nipa num obi awo equal interest o dey say equal interest
obi e chefa ye pepe
menua ye 5 a ese mu 5 ni ya adwen ba ko ka se ompini a mo koto mo interest for no na mo fa de mra yes
na buje bo so obi wo so onye betete musa still a just waje to mansa
enti we say no ni petu ni ukwan press o me ko rente ada ka che train say e na so tin so manyo madin say indenture ni document no e wo say obi wu na ni indenture ni document wo say ma unim na koto dan na wo yakonfo because in that document na nyawo dia so ko bu akonta o court in this scenario no my advice be mass uncle for two no and say omo tumra omo ko pejo mo ho and the first no e ma kola fight ni omo nye ba ko no omo ko court ko di to be krata no omo ma be check property according to BNS 11 e bia na enye dan ne pe other properties can one they say ebusua whatever NF so no omo me papa etinko mo whatever because say ya ne sa omo nia
ebumra no so
yes
because na prison omo nyina be cheche 2 years na momo 1 month na obi a 2 years
o dia say into no yan stress ade no wo Ghana say obi wu a unu kwan say obekọ che na japade na ko fa na japade yes o court dey court be mu say court told you to be preserve property no because we say what shall number for fun what shall before be because you know na dinosaur o dey say no court try to be court na court preserve property no or the ma be a register reference of the court say on so property for the meantime and na court be say properties in there no bibia wo bia no wa recover say sike bia or the two answer na ya hwe na omo ese omo ko di power letter of association no di bia letter of association no aso di e wo mu ni say ye di mawa o sign bond
o sir
yes
bond is saying
ye di say say court am o to me say obi ewu
shere japade no
ko shere japade na channel according to niamraka enti no ye ma o sign bond na ye ma sureties be mu say wan ko chane saa o yokonfo
I see
enti obe chia o because you go tell you so be account to the court oba be tell you say o mako akoche etobe nche no krapo no na akasakasa be mu
right my na ne ahoma ne meto aso mama ka o say wo hwe me go case na I will live e wo Adom TV so ani asempa 94.7 e fam vim lady afia pokra me ne lawyer Morris Ampao enafe me ne lawyer Paul Atisobe e wo hanom say ye ni abre e hwe emra no wo mu nyina age atum say emra no obi wu a hwewe se wele ni wa ya fa PNDC law no nya adwuma o fa kire ko ye bibia se o papa wo ye hwan yo watomra badam 2 years ye ba ne aba beto aso cause abrantia ba ko so ese oto asase wa amasamai oto asase wa amasama wa ye pepa nyina ndancha side plan bibia wo no na anu ya na ye beka chen se asase wura no awu owi abusuafo bia ba se bra san betu asase ne ka adan a omse se bra papa na oto ma na onya asase ne wura no se ade na mo ameka dada afi na mo beka no mse hwe papa na wo no wo ye mafia spiritually wo bekum nti na mo ameka no nti afi de mo beka still abusuafo no tata no so face kan manya so mo mfa ma no se se okuta paper but asase ni onti asase no so obeden ombeku no ombe ne de ni nyina ye ba ne aba beto aso no case na ye ba sisi a Ebusiafo mama kwa babio ye mama kwa baba Adom TV so me wo case Anaa na yesan to aso mienu yenko ye case to so mienu eni obi so na ni bre san se sabisabio de bia mka se kwase ebuo eya na nto wada ti na de bia uti obi asem ne de social media ne ade no hu se de obeka no because it ho ebi ase ni kanipa ni ti wonim no o kire ma chewa ka bon se obu natan a wa mu natan yi wrongly cry abrantie we so oto asase wa amasaman site plan no won ho indenture no so woni nyina woni din mu watena asase no so emfie du miensa na me se won tena asase no we dey so oteso 13 years ni a okuta pepa nyina no problem na no bosumi ya na be ka chense asase no wura na wu o makoye na yie kama oto wa abusuafo ba se asase no won san beto ono se mato atua kada no se de be papa na oto ma onye onu no asase no wo no ya na asase no ye dia no se menti ase no se papa no na ohu ukọ kana se mo bekun nti ne ya meka no nti faska ne be no se onye wo mo tata ne saa se owo case se oya asase wura a obetimi de asase na kosi a wo akwaje bosi ana asesen ana onya asase wura lawyer mo example ma me chase enfri wo bray wo case
they won't bury case no so papa na me advice be man say asase no te so no on tra ho da mo nto anamon say when they say family members no about some be hana on call report to mo our police say what asase or who papers what asase no so for 13 years and na obia ono no claims asase no the episode hano na no confirm so papers into no one no me say mo ndi kan ko file action
okay on chain
because them tia our interest in say they kind what asase no so for 13 years and na confirm no ya aware say what asase no so now okosu omokosu no say omo di asase a or the limitation period be no because thank you 12 years the tramu uti obi asase so for 12 years no ya where say uti asase so one take court action na to be used no as a what a shield you know on the on travel if you no there's been say what so for be acquiescence and lashes what's now one so be I enjoy a property for so many years one carry what's never so bad be we equity we aid the vigilant you know media marketing say as I say not so crap no say our possession crap no
it's enough
into the celebrate yeah my family people no I don't know all my police inform me what do I say land gas is a can any go to my police follow but na police follow every normal police will back uncle property fraud units no call chemunia and now call land guard units or regional
headquarters
omo ba so no what police no be some say na mo then the chase assassin emo dia na if so say emo dia so na emo fa no court
and you possible so almost papers
oh omo papers no come no say I know papers no share na obi tell what that so for 13 years now one year now you go say nipa na o de mam rusuro there so I didn't know dia
odia nka
rusuro o twa ma nipa no
ewu ansa
say sada ma fo bibre ye omo twa na omo nua to asase ma wa later no baba say yenso ya asase ya dia into one say asase ba ko na o ton man o ton for 3 different people now 4 people
the same family be so German district assassin was on nipa 4
yes
o tua ka
Salomo ye
so still
ebi wa awon say ye no mu densa na asase no ye ni adia ba ko be diga koto okoto pe na to wi pa na we aba ana me ni asase enti be nton sa ma no na o de be so na ye ni asu eni mo e planting
na mo jiji na nipa na ato no
oh yes na ono obre enti mo ye ni mre enti na property fraud unit wo and na land guard unit wo enti no obi di wudi asase ma for reporting for protection
that's all
never so men go take the kakra ko
enti na de bia ya me to o man for say masa o ti wiase na aduane bi o dibi na won sa o che so bete to sa de bia nam court no tabia di aduane ni bisa ye kase don't mind anybody who ye kase obi ga obolo don't mind them ye bolo o ko wu kra am 40 na nya na mwawe na ba e chengelenge dia enwo anu kwade no mbe wo munya so value chain they are in it what you say lawyer to sogbe mami ti o so wadwe nche wo hu say unia lawyer mo example can limitation degree
limitation decree no yeah limitation as in section 5 say utna asase bi so for 12 years na say obia mbibisa obia after 12 years no obia is statute bar nobody can come and ask you for but you can also apply also apply for what we call adverse possession. Right.
So asase enya odia.
Enya odia.
Ebi a wona mo ana ebi a won complete bi no akwakotina.
But mama explain say first no it will depend on near edo course asase so. Asase ne memede na me say betena so a. Obetim utena so 100 years cry. You came on the land on my consent. Inti eno no the starting emblem. But say una na wakọ si wakọ hu asase bi o ba bi na wakọ tena ho bo nkru. Na obi asase ru ahwe o when bisa ho hwe. Then Rani said there's clue of course of action. One country yanchro na 12 years ababedu. 12 years ni twom pe oni hu kwan bi. Inti
serious emra o.
Very serious.
Let us say assassinate Odiana lawyer, for example, equity is the vigilant and not the indolent. Let us say no, sa de na ya de pa de e wo so wani ko ho. And now 12 years I won ko assassinate so. Na me fan say what sidan yes so e. Na ever ho. When sidan yes. Assassinate wo a e Odiana. Assassinate Odiana na bia ho sa brochefo no what sidan yes so wanwie. Afi bia ba no abeye. Na bia oba Ebi 12 years, case.
Now we are looking at the bare land, right? So what's the dance is so? Let's just say you are in occupation. That's assassin. Okay. Who assassin? Obi was so.
But said that whole pine there.
That whole pine
12 years in burial.
Exactly. Said that whole pine there 12 years in burial. But so what's the dance was so? If you know share a case of title no. That's even say kubedu akwa na independence iswa. There's a sign brown kwashiga. Yes, and okilike there's a sign say obi was assassin so.
Nje obi say eneya obi to assassin anu ato wall afa ho bi odin kanta ni their possession just possession.
There's a nipa no is in occupation.
Nje say bia memeba na me beto wo lawyer wa de. E bia also assassin e de bibie ni so but e bia de kanta bia e was say me to me question.
Emrani say I was say obisa say then if you go to anwia kra na we dey go ni so say obisa say na anwia ni that it shows say there's somebody in occupation.
Otu meto asase no be lentils so oni ebu no wasi wo de eno e
what asase no
ne bia foundation wo so so aka asade obekọ na foundation so so wa ntua nti bubu na si wo de ana bia toaso na waye eno so e
watomra if say wakoto say bibi wo so no there's a sign say kubedu akra na mra na kire say it shows say there's somebody in occupation and there's a foundation and that just say I say who say obi the occupation find out so but say no to assassin ma no convince you say me in a me see we know but for some reasons I'm selling that is okay let's say you have done a due diligence even assassins you enter assassin say you call market tomatoes you have to do a search
yenton assassin
no
assassin me de sanka yenton assassin to say tomatoes
no I work now tomatoes saying no dia no before we talk assassin you have to do a search at the land commission until uko you search or land commissioner I bet you say that assassin is registered in this person and ebusuan when they want rights over that land
it is a one year search no na so okoto na wutua na ebe dead say nya ne dia na de kokoto court mfiu because one mo ni anda
one ma wani anda ho ina fani say wakwa koto assassin no ina obi afechi ikwa akoto wo ato first on register ye onya hwe wo so ye obi afechi akwa akoto right onu akwa akoye search ehu say ye register obi a dimu ye nso wato eda ho well nti so onu ko hu say ye register obi a dim no to a
no register
one
e de be ma no
law no protect him he say wo no a wo to ye no o say ka ro isa o register so o register ya onu ko ye no be hu say ya register asase no so one register no onu bedu ho no obun say the land obi an register ye nti it will still be in the name of either the allodial owners ana omo assassin ni omo dia no nti omo nsem na be but say ko ba say one register and no dey want to mean to you say no be show say somebody has registered
nti abranti our case say oteso no
our case under nyamia say 13 years
okay you be 2 years so e
be war and no we go into the matter and no the court will say indeed say no ton assassin man no wo right to sell or only right to sell
when ebusuafo mo hwe ayi e fa say screen so numbers beba so numbers no betimi afre na wo question bia obusu ya lawyer fo ma ben say de hu hwe den hia wo mo sa oti ase we say lawyer atichobo unim na do no court ne ko ayi chambers wa bia unhunu lawyer nim kwasa ka chibe kasa madam fakakra to wa haso de free na fo adwen no eto nanim na fo onyi anoma more example the ota ho no kra so obefa ni phone wonye simple lawyer wo lawyer woni asamoja lawyer mo asamoja lawyer no ko se fense
lawyer kisi
wonye omo di case wa tugu ba ni mo na wa tugu ba kra se don kan ni bibia mo nti yesterday fa case ni to o mani wo munye ma ameka wo se eya Adom TV mo case na ye live was 94.7 aye de case ebre won tu tie bia na so de ato on register wasase ya se de lawyer aka no mo ani na on ko register wato why indenture on register ya lawyer say obi fe akire ko search na so obi edi ni so no register edi di nto so a masa waso be ye hye
mami mbo kakra se ukoto asase obi to uto mami na why indenture me register ye but what sign
receipt
conveyance amami what sign na me ene na me to no ochina onu so beto now yeah on go register a bed didn't say need registration no have to take it because who say mama no we interest no their mama and you know you can't give what you don't have.
I see.
Yes. At that time who here in that channel say mama no what transfer that power no into want to be a double sale and you know man first in time nipa in
thank
you about turn when you and we're going to say conveyance to say what say receipt there be just say a crater say well to mama no what sign say what transfer interest mama but just can say me register
na when to me an register
me register po na e bia me take possession let us say me nya ye no makọ glass na so na wo be no one be bisa me de ntia me was so now to me ti ko register
wo de ne go
say equity be mu be protect me say e so na ohun say nipa na otoye no o was asase no so nti despite so di mi ka ko
odi ka ko court and
e because they were done with baby register court abonegu e be mu to register fraudulently e be mu so registration no to say na want to be what claim the equitable interest of the person nti these are the issues I say
but o ma wo de nti a o hia lawyer pa no o say the lawyer cheche mu no wo hu nti asem bi won ma ba ko nso emu nsem bebre nti bra Osman mama mra so na wo mu so amohwe no betimi afre na do question ba ye be ko bra ba ko case so no so ni obi aye adwuma 10 years mo ye say o kakra ye adwuma na sika no ba na ya hwem afi sika ba ya company ti apam mu nyina ye be yo bra Osman good evening anwumere o ka se free we free so ho kafra sa free bi ni hwe o case bra mo fa good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Pastor Boko there.
But I'm not Boko.
Now can say free. Botiano.
But right.
Hosumu asasi cases papa. Ye enti o question no.
We there. Me you be na okoye more double organization. And now your man provisionality. There's 1 year after that on me access normal renew contract and as one permanent. And now, through 1 year, normal termination letter. Yeah, terminating the contract. But now, when you say this year, now letter some state say, wow, provision letter, a contract may be 2016.
Okay.
And now, you know, so on the letter, time to resume working when to me and acceptance letter. But no, HR catcher say one try acceptance letter. No, so what here say. But letter no was not to the acceptance letter, but terminating contract. So contract ended 2016. Also they ended 2017. They say they were not there.
Openi unim Zagabaya Monday obetimi the letter number ha because ansem na wo ka no sheda nye adequate. O se ehun se bia na niam nketenkete bi wo letters ma ya na oh yeah, ordinary person. I won't kind kosi ase. Nti fabra na farmer lawyers na omoncho ya na bibi wo mo de berew. Oh, nti fa letter na bra Monday why? Na lawyers mo na ye twetwesem ni why? Bomode fabra na mo anya sa emu aye bi obde be mo bia be have. Frank, oh go so bra Frank good evening.
Good evening.
Sa go so boko de.
Adom go so boko.
Bode ni bi wo ha na asa.
Oh, bode wo have be.
Ensuato akra 20 and say enkrofo beda pa lawyers wo beda pa won ko ba bia lawyer ti so gbe so wo beda pa August enkrofo be won tafo mami ti o say
It's a different Casaje.
Franca say and say Jim, but you ain't no question.
If I saw and Mikro need teach my is actually a two land. Now, there was Bushasa so hard, yet do this. But who are not Ukum in every trap, be one plot, not their movie. No charm, but because and no two lands, no. Me a be a man and Namwa, those who are 3 generations on born a bit in America. The arrangements are which very
okay, but so what I say, assassin in Konyan Sassy, me boy.
Honestly, now, most of them say is two lands.
Yes, and the Melbus you have also Omondo Dosu needy. Anna,
yes, in fact, bitter.
Yo, my lawyer knew no lawyer Tisowe.
Yes. Nti sino no patch no ono agitu say busua sase stool land. Nti let's just say enye for one person. Na it's a stool land. Nti no say ukwa akodo so a all the family members has right to farm under that land, but they cannot sell that land.
O se akonwa no ohene no wo ho ana obi o matwa one plot am obi. The oh yeah, the amount of money so no. Na ye twa ohene no because it's two lands.
Yes. Say ye chairman say ye ton man na ye chairman so ye chairman say onko sit down also na ye chairman so.
Ye chairman so ye ton man no. No, it's two land.
Na
stool land no, stool no so ton eh.
Stool no were right say obeton for the administration of the stool.
But the ote so no order no. Ontumi nya ho hwe.
Wa wo do we ni so. Ah ono yes family member.
Ono no ye kromani but akonwa no asase ne akonwa no dia nti wa we kromani no ubetimi object say ma ohene no nton.
Oh no untimi it was understood untimi.
I see. I
think I disagree.
You disagree?
Yeah, we share the family law now.
Mama for last call and answer. Boss, but what they say oh?
Mr. Dove, Mama Vin.
Mr. Dove, you mo yentie wo dia no. Mr. Dove, na dey bia ya wo case. And now judging for case. Hey, I lawyer.
Case really be me pa.
Hey, I see. They be also wo case.
You know, as a land no popedia.
Aha, okay.
Oh, and wa say wa we be onye he was into so be was to be anu afa. Na if me ni anu ni bia stati be no na me busa lawyer say no what kind of verbal is ano. Ebeboa. Anaa say we be e be san ya ka ho.
Mr. Dove, on say lawyer can say will any letters of administration. Mo popi owu ye no ye will. Ansa no.
But we November year trade and
customary wills na dance for ho amudi dance yes or can say mo nyina apopi no wi I see. Okay, I see. Yo mama no ase lawyer more example onim ye ko break him na nya boche na yi questions din na no am I ugusu hwe me wo case na ye live Adom TV so any asempa 94.7 and asem na ye dem ko for problems omo case ba mutini wa ye be solve ni nyina ma lawyer beba no we ya no ni nyina ne ahwe ye mra sesia etie for ye mama kwaba ye wo live wa Asempa FM ene mo hwe live so Adom TV so me wo case na ne unim course na e ba ye no ye mo asem ne tofa ne ko lawyer tiso gbe na mama lawyer Morris sample lawyer Morris now also disagree with asembia na lawyer
ya me pa say o ye oman hene na wo kru so na oman ma no etumi nyama asase a so respect our right we be usual right into no say o person ko fa asase a say wo bo mama na compensate omo say na aban odo Ghana ye aba oman de abat o asase na Ghana aban pesa o so compensate you the compensate acquisition our rights of to acquire but so compensate into no oman ni tumi so reke na amanfo na omo ne bu man no amasa ase na akoje nana man kwasa
lawyer mami ntie odi etwato cases na buy
on
this one or the other questions and for no busa.
Okay, the last question on the stool land no. Yes, na lawyer can. Yes, the stool can sell, but you have to compensate the people. Yeah, you can't just take it say yes, me the chief of the town it me fan away. But the right must be somebody from the community.
Obi o de share. O fi krom
ho. And yes say me anwani na makotena Kumasi baby. Na yes it's too long, so I have that right. No, I don't have that right.
Okay, but who are right to so voter region member?
Yes, more right. From where this is my community. It is so do
only have no. Only the allegation. Madam I was papa Ugusa wo hwa Adom TV ye de besi Adom se Yakopon ye Adom next week e ba betoa me case na so fa se da kese pa ma lawyer Paul Atisogbe na lawyer lawyer wa bin na ne what wo hu anwani a wo titi ende de ye nyina he Ghana de bia me ka say we are just one people feel okuapem ye be fro be pon okuapini ye be fro be pon sanso na celebrity lawyer Morris Sampa ba ko pe 17 years at the bar. Wow. It's no mean achievement. Yakopon lawyer tell my bar ya fa se da Emma Origin Zero tabe eba mesha ne caps ene ne capsules na top eba clinic wo madama ene e de adwumedie e de ebrem sanso ena ye production team ne ade nyina Helen ye damase cameraman ene empany for more pictures ne ade production team ne damase Yakopon ye Adom a ye be say next Friday e fa me Vim Lady e fia pokua